In this video, I'll show you how you can add a family member to YouTube TV. What you want to do here is you may need to make sure that you are the family manager. So what you want to do is head over to the website, click on your profile picture, go to the settings and click family sharing. From in there, select manage, and then you want to follow these to create the family group. You can do that from in there. It's going to show you how to do it. Then after that, what you want to do is add your family members. So go to YouTube TV and sign in as the family manager that you just made. And then you want to go to profile picture, settings, family sharing, click manage and invite family member. Then once you're in there, you want to type in their email address and keep in mind it must be a Google one. Send it, and then the family member just needs to accept the invite. So they'll get an email to the email here. And once you've done that, they just want to accept the invitation, sign in on the Google account that you send their email to, and just follow the instructions, and then they'll be joined. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.